The NH10 to Sikkim and Kalimpong is now closed due to a major landslide on Wednesday morning. Sikkim has been cut off from the tours and as well as from Siliguri due to the landslides. Yesterday, waters from a local waterfall gushed down the NH110 in Kurseong town, putting in danger the houses next to the highway. There has been heavy rainfall in the hills and in Kurseong, but a sight such as this was never witnessed before. The town area is overcrowded and clustered with buildings on both sides of the NH110 and can be fatal if the already very weak land gives away. Heavy showers throughout the night have resulted in the rise of water levels in most of the rivers of North Bengal. The water levels are at the yellow mark in most of the rivers. Several areas in the districts are waterlogged and has become a problem for residents of several areas in the North Bengal districts.
হালকা করে দেন জিনিস পেয়েছেন আচ্ছা বাইরে থেকে ভালো ওই জায়গাটা দাঁড়াও না নিয়ে আসবো পাথর দিতে সাইডে পাথর আইল আছে আস্তে আস্তে কমপ্লিট এই ভাই কোন যাচ্ছি উঠাইতে ভাই
Rainfall last night in millimeter in some of the places for Jalpaiguri 177.40 mm, Alipurduar 102.40 mm, Cooch Behar 90.30 mm, Siliguri 130 mm, Malbazar 112 mm, Hasimara 79 mm, Banarhat 131 mm, Tufanganj 147.60 mm, Mainaguri 240 mm, Mathabhanga 99.20 mm. On Wednesday, the authorities let out 3,121.76 cubic meter of water from the Tista barrage, and the areas next to the river right up to Bangladesh has been flagged yellow. The weather forecast has also stated that there will be heavy showers in these areas for the coming week. If the rain continues at this rate, then it won't be long before the water levels of the rivers reach the red zone. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.